But I wanted to give you a little bit of the statistics, a little bit of interesting tidbits about what you can expect this year that may be a little different than before. First of all, there will be an orientation session this year at the very beginning on Thursday, about 10:30, 11 o'clock on Thursday. I'll be doing an orientation. So if you're brand new, I'll walk you through it. If you're not brand new, but you kind of feel a little overwhelmed and you want to make sure you know how everything works, where everything is, come to that. It'll be a really fun session. So that will start both events at Branson and in Pigeon Forge. This year, we have some really, really great speakers, and all of them will be, or most of them will be on the Teach Them Diligently podcast. So be sure that you subscribe to that so that you can get to know them beforehand. If you'll leave us a 5-star review and do that before we relaunch in February, you'll find that you are entered to win some great prizes through the year as we start pulling some of those and reading them on air. But it is a really good way to get to know some of our speakers. You guys have already seen and talked about earlier some of the great speakers that are coming up. Some interesting facts about this year's schedule. We have 153 sessions in Pigeon Forge and 145 in Branson. Excellent content coming your way. We have some amazing new and returning speakers like Ben Carson, Heidi St. John, Stephen Kendrick, Dr. Kathy Cook, Abby Halberstad, Jennifer Pepito, Jenny Urich, Todd Wilson, Ginger Hubbard, Sarah Molitor, Trisha Goyer, Amy Roberts. Y'all, I could go on and on and on. We have amazing speakers coming. There's going to be a children's program. A drama program is back again this year. The teens have a fantastic program. Plus, we have all these awesome add-ons. There's a men's breakfast and a mom's night with Jenny Urich. There is something for the entire family. So